Cool.
Come on, y'all gotta build a snowman. Ooh, wee. No! Move, boy. Oh, God, that's cold. Come on, let me see y'all build a snowman. Uh-oh, get it, Alexander, get it.
I'm gonna make the best one.
You gonna make the best one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see if I can hold this phone and put my glove back on. Ooh, wee. And it's, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's still snowing while we out here. Little light, it's very light. Oh God, let me put my gloves on.
I get it, hey.
Y'all gotta make a ball.
I'm trying to make a ball. The snow is ice.
The snow is ice, Elvin.
Yeah.
Let's see. Bust up. Oh my God. Ooh, way it's cold out here, Lord Jesus.
I'm gonna get you.
Do I have some pockets?
I want to make a snow angel.
You gotta lay down and do that.
Do it. Okay. Should I?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, let's see it. Oh yeah! You gotta move your. Oh, we got it, dude. We got it.
Who else is coming?
Too much, man. Too much. I don't like cold.
Oh Lord.
I don't like cold.
Oh man, that's good advertisement for FedEx. Oh Lord. Oh man. Oh, now you can see it real good, y'all. Can y'all see the snow?
I need a mask.
Ooh, now y'all see it? Ooh, wee. It's, people up north probably like, what?
That's it?
Right. Ooh, I took that glove off to make a snowman. Shh, I'll never do it again. My hand is on
Got it, man.
fire. Oh man, my hand. You've been out here for 2.3 seconds.
My hands are frozen. These gloves don't work.
That's garden glove.
Everything else I'm fine.
Look at this one here.
My hands are cold. I need a breathe. How do you get that?
Oh man.
I'm gonna get you.
Woo. Did Jalen go inside? She said, Oh, no, let's go. Watch out. Sneak attack. Surprise attack.
My hands are cool.
I can't see. How did you get it?
Bam! You gotta squeeze it together.
How? That doesn't work.
You lucky I can't throw. Oh, wee. Jalen. Okay, I quit. Good thing I am a girl. Oh man. Okay. My hands is cold. Okay, I quit. Ooh, my hands hurt. Oh, what's wrong? All right, they all come stand by the... So that was my husband just pulling up from Walmart. What I was saying? Oh, the power. So yeah, they gave us power yesterday from 10 to about 5:30. I don't understand that. You keep cutting the same people's power off. Rotate that around. We want power just like everybody else. And we got an email, and I'm getting loud because I'm getting aggravated. We got an email yesterday saying that the power was going to be back on today from 9 to 5. We still sitting inside without no power. Sorry, y'all. I know I look a hot mess. It's nice and warm in this car. Thank God we have a fireplace and a gas stove. I don't think I would have moved in this house without a gas stove, first of all. I don't like electric stoves. No. You want to burn your food? Yeah, buy an electric stove. But anyway, I'm jumping all off. So yeah, I keep candles, I keep batteries, I keep all that kind of stuff. Besides, I had that all that stocked anyway, and then watching lead video, the survival kit or what, bug out basket or something like that. I had all that kind of stuff stocked, tuna fish and mashed potatoes and olive and stuff like that. So yeah, we had that kind of stuff. My husband actually went to Walmart we had no tomato paste. We was gonna make some chili. But y'all, I'm on here rambling on. I just came in the car to charge my phone. My phone been tripping. Can we get to 2 weeks after fast forward? Can we fast forward 2 weeks? 2 weeks into regular life, please. I've had enough. See y'all in the next video. Peace. Hello, hello, hello. So today is Wednesday. I'm currently sitting in my car. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Y'all, they cutting our power off. They let us have power for yesterday. It was yesterday was Tuesday. So the power went off Sunday night. At about midnight. It came on back on about 2 o'clock in the morning. And then it went back off. It stayed off all the way until yesterday, which was Tuesday. It came back on. They turned it back on about 10ish. Then they clicked it right back off at about 5:30. Then we got an email saying that they was gonna cut the power on. They was gonna cut the power on. My husband talking.
Fixed.
Yeah.